Carolyn Ellison wrapping up her testimony in the Sam Bankman-Fried trial. Alexis Keenan joins us now from outside the courthouse. Alexis.
Yeah, things just wrapping up here for today. And it was a big conclusion of the testimony and cross-examination of Caroline Ellison, who was Alameda Research's CEO in its final approximately year of the company's existence. Now, I'm going to do for you what I think the jurors are going to have to do in their minds to try to piece together this very complicated story. And that is to figure out what punches did the defense attorneys on behalf of Bankman-Fried land today, if any. So far, it's been a bit of an uphill climb to try to put all these pieces together and tell this complicated financial story. For one, Ellison said that she met with prosecutors about 20 times before her testimony. She said that she prepared documents all the way back to 2021 and through 2022 that showed her own impressions. Now, at the top of one of these lists was her number one bullet point, and it was things that Bankman-Fried was concerned about, and that is number one, hedging. Now, if you remember back to opening statements, that was a big part of Bankman-Fried's story, is that he had instructed Caroline Ellison to put on hedges in order to not get Alameda into a complicated financial situation, and FTX as well, to not be able to return those customer deposits. And he said that she did not do that. Now, she said that was important, that she did decide at times to not go ahead and hedge months, if not a year, before things all came crashing down for FTX and Alameda. She also said that she was a bad manager in some of her own impressions, her own notes. And she said also that by the time she was being questioned by prosecutors, that she thought what she did at her time was wrong. She also admitted that she posted misleading tweets in the final days of FTX as it was crashing down. And she also admitted that while all of this was happening, that she was still accepting a $200,000 salary along with a $20 million bonus for her first year as CEO. And then on top of that came a $3 million compensation for that half of last year. Of course, she didn't see the end of days. The companies did not complete a full year in 2022. She also admitted that the company, Alameda, had to function as a market maker. That's another point that Bankman-Fried is trying to make, to say that it needed to be able to draw into negative balances in order to function for FTX and buy various cryptocurrencies for its customers. But guys, this is a lot for the jury to try to put together. It's hard enough as a journalist to try to link these pieces. The dates are jumping all over the place. And in the end, we'll see what Bankman-Fried has in terms of him putting on a case. But right now, the prosecution is still ongoing with its additional witnesses and expected to go another 2 weeks with its case.
It has been fascinating. Alexis, thank you so much for the latest on this. Appreciate it.